Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, this bronze summer glow look for skin tone like mine, make sure you keep watching. If you have a different type of skin tone, I think you could still watch it, but this is for the girlies who has more of a darker melanin skin tone. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, just continue to watch. Hi guys, so let's get started. I am kind of in a rush and it is kind of hot, so we are going to go through this makeup little tutorial really fast. I'll have everything linked in the description box. At least I'll try. Y'all know me. Yeah, anyways, this is gonna be quick, simple, and easy. I did start off with my brows because I feel like you guys do your brows whatever way you want to do your brows. Okay, everybody does their brows differently, so that's why I don't really incorporate the brows when I do these little videos. So you guys do your brows however you would like to do your brows, and then get started with concealer. I want to say I also did prep my skin before I got started. I did use my sunscreen, and I'm also gonna go on with my oil sucker. Okay, if you guys watch the vlogs, you know that this oil sucker by Patrick Starr, right now in California, it's not fall, okay babe, it's still about 90 degrees outside, so this helps out a lot. I usually put it like around my nose area. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm kind of sweating right now. So what I like to do is shake this up, and you only need a little bit. And so I'm gonna show you how much, and you got to be careful with this stuff because it like squirts out. See, I already put too much. Oh my gosh, can y'all tell? Like, that it's already too much. Like, it's already, maybe not for the whole face, but I'm not doing the whole face because I'm not putting on any foundation. This look requires no foundation, but yeah, this is already too much, but that's okay. Just put it in the areas where you get really oily, and you're gonna let that sit. Smooth it out just a little bit, not too harsh, because it can turn a little white. See, I already had to wipe some off because that was entirely too much. So I just like to put it in my nose area because that's where I get really oily. Like I said, in California, it is still summertime, so I have to put this on. But in the fall, I'm not going to be able to use it. But I highly recommend, if you live in a place where it's really hot all the time, get the oil sucker. Okay, so then I like to go in and conceal my brows. I like to go in with the Haus Labs. This is Lady Gaga's brand. I don't know what made me try it, but now I never want to go back. Okay, between this one and Makeup by Mario, and I also use the Sephora brand. Yeah, this Haus Labs, something about it. It is something about it, and I'm using the color medium dark brown. It does go perfect with my skin tone. I mean, it's just like a few shades lighter, as you guys can see, but I love it. If you let this sit, if you have time to let this sit, girl, if you have time, it blends out. I let it sit on my face the other day for a little bit. I noticed a big difference when I went to blend it out. Oh my gosh, I was like, wait, what? I heard that trick before when they say let your concealer sit, and when I say let this sit, like the way this just glides on, chef's kiss. I love this Haus Labs. Y'all gotta get into it. If you haven't tried the Haus Labs, I highly recommend. So then I just go in and I conceal the brows. And if you're a student like me and you don't have much money to get your brows done all the time, use one of those microblading shaving things that you see people using, microblading their face. Use one of those, and just, you know, arch your brows a little bit. If you're gonna fill your brows in with a pencil, you necessarily don't need to always go get your brows done, because I haven't got my brows done and I don't know how long, child. So just keep that in mind if you don't really have money to go get your brows done. So then I'd like to bring the concealer down. If my hands are ashy, don't mind that. I probably should put on some lotion, but we're not here for that. This is very quick and easy, okay? Okay, so yeah, and then I bring it down, and then I also bring it in the middle because I just like to bring it up just a little tad bit, and then bring it down. Okay, bring it up. Be careful you don't mess your brows up, and just continue to bring it up so it's going into the forehead. Okay, so now that I let that sit for just a second, I'm going to start to get a brush. This came from Five Below, and start to conceal the eyes, because you don't want any discoloration. But the thing is, when you have on lashes, you have to be really careful. Like me, I have on lashes. I do my own lashes, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, I'm trying to be really careful, because I don't want to mess them up. Because you know these lashes, y'all, when you do your own lashes, they be falling out real quick. So just be careful. Get in the crevices of the eye. Okay, get the cracks, girl, get the cracks. All right, I want to blend out my lashes just a little bit. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to actually blend the concealer out. We're going to use that same brush, and I don't know if you guys can tell, you're starting to see some of the Patrick Star oil gripper. It's getting a little white, so you guys be careful. It's nothing, when you put on foundation, it's going to go away, but be careful, because like I said, this product, you do not need a lot. Anyways, let's just start blending out. I don't know if you can tell, but this is already like dried, and I am blending it out, and look how beautiful and flawless that is looking already. Get that little stuff out your eye. Oh gosh. Okay, girl, ghetto. Okay, so blend up, lift your eye and blend. Okay, go to the other side and do the same thing. And I do like to go over my nose just to get it all one even. Okay, go down just a little bit. And if you want to stop here and just do your bronzer, that is totally fine, because this look is basically like all about bronzing. If you want to stop here and do your bronzing, if you feel like this concealer is good enough for you, babe, it looks good, go ahead. But me, I like to go in with the Sephora. This is like 3 shades lighter than me, and I like to go in because I like brightness under the eye. But if you don't like that brightness look, you don't have to do it, because this already looks good. You only need a little bit of this stuff. So just dab. Actually, I kind of put too much. That's okay. We're not gonna let this sit because we don't really have time. But ooh, not me breaking out. Okay. So yeah, just go ahead and blend that out. Oh gosh, I think I used too much. Don't use as much as I did. Just use only a little bit, or it just depends on you. But I didn't need this much. I really didn't. And so I like to go down under the nose. And the key to this is really blending out everything, because you want it to all look very sleek, seamless. So I use a little too much, but that is okay. I'm gonna take what type of brush is this? This came from Five Below, but I'm gonna take this type of brush and just go around the nose and blend it out, because I don't want any harsh lines around the nose. Although I'm gonna put some bronzer on there, we're just gonna still blend it out. Blend out here as well. I just like to blend. And then we're gonna go in with the bronzer. This is the star of the show. This is by Relevant, and this is in the color 3E1 Empower 1. This is a foundation stick, but I use it as a bronzer. I'll try to find this and link it below. When I got it at JCPenney's, and they said it was going out of business, or this JCPenney's was gonna stop selling it. I don't know, but I'll try to find it, because I really like it as a bronzer. Like, look at that. Like, you just one line, boom, you're good. And I like to go in with, don't come for me, it's dirty, I know, but I like to come in with the beauty blender and blend that out. And I use some airbrush setting spray, And I'm running out of this. Do y'all see? Like, girl, it's nothing left. She's gone. She's gone. But I had her for a long time and I really like it. So I may repurchase. I like to smile and go up the face. I don't bring it down. I just stay up, like on the cheekbones, because that is the idea of bronzing, is lifting the face. So I don't go down. I just try to stay up. Bring the product up like that. And the thing with this, it doesn't take long to blend out. Like, it's already, I'm pretty much good. And then I like to take the extra and then go around my nose. So I like to just go like here, here, underneath, because I want my nose to look, do y'all see that? Like, I want my nose to be a little bronzed. And then also I like to go on the forehead and just take the excess. And I haven't put any product on my forehead, but I like to just take extra and go on top. What I like to set my under eye with is this Huda Beauty. This is in Kunafa. This is actually also running out. Y'all, I use these products pretty much every day. So yeah, I swear by the stuff that I use. So I like to take it on one of these sponge powders and pat underneath like that. I really pat it in, and then I go underneath with the extra. There's nothing really on this, but I go in extra and just go around the nose like this. Okay. For bronzer, I want to go in with the Sephora. This is Pan. This is the Sephora bronzer. Y'all, she's gone. I swear that all these products I'm showing y'all, I use them, okay? This is Sephora 06 Ibiza, and then I just like to go in with, use what you have at home. All these brushes, I don't really want to name because you can use different brushes for different things. So that's why I really don't like to name the brushes, but I'm using a brush like this and I'm just going in and like, I need to buy some more stuff because, girl, maybe I'll wait for the Sephora sale because I don't know. This stuff can get really expensive. So, and then the extra, I just like to go down like this. Get that neck, girl, get that neck. All right, star of the show. This Irrelevant, this is also a foundation powder, but it says it is Empower 2 3K1. It's a foundation powder, but I use this around the rest of the face. And when I tell you this gets my face so bronzed, girl, I love this stuff. And when I run out, I have to look for it because I can't run out of this. I just can't. So I like to take this everywhere else. I didn't put any other product. Be careful, because this, y'all see that? Be careful. Look. Do y'all see? Is this wet? What the hell? Do y'all see? Oh my gosh, like you can already tell. But yes, go around the nose, go everywhere else, underneath the bronzer. Okay, bring it down if you need to. This is already bronzed. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, this is, and don't mess the baby hair up now. Okay, girl. Go above the forehead. Go down. And then I like to take the bronzer and go on the eyelids. I'm taking a brush that looks like this, and you can go on the eyelids. And if the eyelids are creasing, just blend it out a little bit. With my eyelashes, you really can't tell. So I just take some and I go across the whole lid. Go up here, go on the other eye. That is crazy. That's all. I look bronzed, like what? So then I go in with some lip liner. I'm using Morphe lip liner, and this is Trendsetter. Oh, y'all see how that glides on? So nice. Love this stuff. And I like to overline my lips, so let's overline. Just because I like to like make my lips look a little fuller. But if you don't like that, you can skip it, obviously. But y'all, this is, babe, I'm sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder, but this is all I be doing. Literally, like all I be doing. Put on a little lip gloss and call it a day, like girl. And then the last step is to set your face, girl. Set your face. I do set my face. I'm using this airbrush first. This is running out. I think I want to repurchase it. We shall see, because I don't think this stuff don't be cheap, y'all. This ain't no drugstore stuff. This is... After that, I like to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible. This is like a dupe to the Patrick Star one. Everybody knows this if you into makeup. So if you can't afford that other one, girl, go and get this. This gonna work. Okay. But do y'all see how that setting spray already like made my face glow even more? Like, love that one. So if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend. But I also highly recommend this too. I like to use both. Hey guys, so this is the final look. This is how the makeup came out. Y'all, this was so simple. So anybody can recreate, and if you don't have the same products that I have, use whatever you have in your collection, but try to do what works for you. Use the same type of colors, but I recommend getting you a really good nice bronzer that's going to work really good for your skin tone. So if you enjoyed videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I do vlog on this vlog channel, so if you're interested in watching vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all very soon. Bye.